roofing companies, roofing contractors, commercial roofing. Roofing are the covering of any building or house, but to make your house or building stand out, it all depends on the type of roof you use. So the type of company you use to do your roofing is very important. But do remember, in your surrounding or in your community, you would like your building to stand out, and the roof is a part of making your building stand out. The color of the roof, the type of the roof, very important based on your like. So as you can see, I'm giving you a 360-degree rotation around this building, and we are paying attention to the roof. This roof is unique and nice. A very good job, and I like it. Some people may like it, some people may not, based on preference and choice. We'll take a look at this community. I will give you some view of the additional house in this community, and this roof has stand out above the rest. This building is incomplete, no windows yet. A lot of finishing is incomplete, but this building, based on the type of roof, make it stand out above the rest. Roofing is very important. The roofing protects us from the weather and all of these things, but it is a part of the showpiece of your building, and based on the type of roofing, it make your building carry a higher price in terms of expense. So I'm just showing this roofing, giving you some idea when you are going to do your building or do your roofing. You can make a choice based on the information you get. So as I say, the type of roof you need is all up to the owner of the house or building, but it all depends on how do you want your building to stand out above the rest. So take a look in this community and just look at the difference of this roofing and this building, and tell me what you think. If you think this video is educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. As you can see clearly, this roof stands out amongst the rest. Whether the view is far out, whether the view is on the hill, whether it's on the flat. So the roof do make a difference based on shape, color, and the design you use. So I'm just giving you some idea here that when you do your building, it all depends on how outstanding or how hype you want your building. So you will spend additional money to do your roof, because certain type of roof go with a certain cost. But sometimes you have to just pay attention to the finishing product. Look in the community here as I speak. None of these houses, the roof cannot compare to the one I am displaying. Whether you zoom it from near, whether you look on it from far. So design, color, and the type of work do make a difference. And do remember, when you build a house, more something to be with you for a lifetime. Sometimes leave this earth and it's still here. So put time and effort in your building to make it look good and outstanding, and you will always smiling for a lifetime. So different type of roof do matters, and everyone want their building to be nice and stand out, but how far you're willing to go. And workmen are better than workmen based on experience. Some can give you a good job, but you have workmen who can give you an excellent job. So you have to know the difference and know these things. So tell me what you think about this roof or this building. We're merely concentrating on the roof. Is it a good job? Is it looking nice? Is it looking good? Or I am overrating this roof? Let me know. Share your thoughts. Leave your comment. I'm always happy to read those comments and look on those likes. So just sit back and relax, and you can look through the rest of this video and see if you get any information from it that suit you or serve you well. I highly appreciate when I do videos and the information helpful to others, so I wouldn't know what effect it would have on people, but I just give the information and talk what I know. So as I say, if you think this video is educational or interested, please leave a like, please leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more video like this. So this video is all about roofing companies, roofing contractor, commercial roof, or whatever you do. The roof and style do make a difference. I'm just saying, look in this community from all angles. It is like one house in the community because of the roof, and this building is unfinished. No windows, no doors as yet, and it really looking beautiful. So the roof can make a big difference, and I will be doing the follow-up video with this house to show you what it look like when the windows and wall are finished, because it's very beautiful now and it's unfinished. So think about when it comes to a complete, it will be looking marvelous, and I would like to share that view with subscribers, family and friends. So do look out for the follow-up video to this video and many more. So as I say, just sit back, relax, and watch the rest of the video. Understand what you think. And if you're new here, press the subscribe button and feel free to ask any question. There is a link in the description of my videos where you guys can reach out to me. I don't know everything, but I know a lot of things, so just feel free to ask me any question. So happy watching. And this is Rhoden speaking, and it's a pleasure of you watching. So if you're watching to this far, you're very interested in this video. I highly appreciate it. So until then, see you in my next video, and the word is peace.